We're scrapping it. The entire project is being shut down.
Wait, really? After all the work we've put into it?
Yeah, upper management decided it's not worth the investment anymore.
That's unbelievable. We've been working on this for months.
I know. It feels like all that effort just went down the drain.
Did they at least explain why they made this decision?
They said the market shifted, and it's no longer viable for the company to continue.
That's frustrating. We were so close to the final stages.
Trust me, I'm just as upset, but there's nothing we can do at this point.
I guess that's corporate life for you. They pull the plug whenever they want.
Exactly. It's hard to accept, but sometimes projects just don't make it through.
What happens to the team now? Are we being reassigned?
From what I've heard, they're going to disperse us across other departments.
That's some relief. At least we won't be out of a job.
Yeah, though it still stings to see all our hard work go to waste.
Definitely. I was really proud of what we were building.
Same here. But hey, at least we gained some valuable experience from this.
True. I just wish we could have seen the final product out there.
Me too. But who knows, maybe we'll get another chance to work on something similar in the future.
I hope so. For now, I guess we just have to move on.
Yeah, let's stay positive and see where they place us next.
Agreed. Whatever happens, we'll figure it out.
I really need to brush up on my Spanish before our trip next month.
Yeah, it's been a while since we used it. How long has it been since your last class?
Probably over a year, honestly. I feel like I've forgotten a lot.
Don't worry, it'll come back once you start practicing again. Have you thought about using any apps to help?
I downloaded a couple, but I haven't been consistent. I think I need a more structured plan.
You could try taking an online course or watching Spanish TV shows to immerse yourself more.
That's a good idea. I always learn better when I'm hearing it in real-life conversations.
Exactly. Plus, watching shows is way more fun than just memorizing vocab lists.
True, I should probably brush up on my grammar too. I always get the tenses mixed up.
Yeah, Spanish tenses can be tricky. Maybe you can focus on one tense each week until you feel confident.
That sounds like a solid plan. I'll start with the past tense since that's what I struggle with most.
Good choice. And don't forget, we can practice speaking together to keep it conversational.
I appreciate that. It's always easier when you have someone to practice with.
Anytime, it'll be good for both of us, especially since we'll need it for our trip.
I'm excited about the trip, but also nervous about how much I'll remember when we actually get there.
Don't worry too much. Once we're surrounded by native speakers, you'll pick it up faster than you think.
I hope so. I just don't want to freeze up in the middle of a conversation.
You won't, we'll be fine. Plus, it's okay to make mistakes. That's part of learning.
You're right. I just need to relax and have fun with it.
Exactly, and by the time we come back, we'll be pros.
Go away, I don't want to talk right now.
Wait, I didn't mean to upset you. Can we just talk for a second?
You've already said enough, I need space.
I know I messed up, but walking away won't solve anything.
You really don't get it, do you? You hurt my feelings.
I realize that now, and I'm really sorry. I just want to make things right.
It's not that simple. You can't just apologize and expect everything to be okay.
I know it's not enough, but I want to understand what I did wrong so I can fix it.
You always brush off how I feel, like it's no big deal. That's what hurts.
I didn't mean to do that, but I see now how it came across. I'm sorry for not being more considerate.
It's just exhausting. I can't keep explaining the same things over and over.
You're right. I've been selfish, and I haven't been listening the way I should.
Exactly. I just want you to actually hear me and understand where I'm coming from.
I promise I'm going to try harder to be better. I don't want to keep making the same mistakes.
I appreciate that, but actions speak louder than words.
I'll prove it to you. I don't want to lose what we have because of my carelessness.
We'll see. I need to see a real change, not just empty promises.
You will. Just give me a chance to show you I can be better.
Okay, but don't expect me to forget everything overnight. It's going to take time.
I understand, and I'll be patient. I'm just glad you're willing to give me that chance.
Please subscribe and see you soon.